In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to start up the Nano 30 active vibration isolation system. The delivery contains the isolator, a control unit, a sub-D cable and a power cord. In case you stored the system in a colder environment, please allow it 2 to 3 hours to adjust to room temperature until starting operation. Set up the system on a stable, rigid and flat surface. The floor of the operating space should be free of any soft covering. Please note that a proper support structure is essential for obtaining the best possible isolation performance. In order to undo the transportation lock of the isolator, please remove the 2 red screws on each side and keep them available for future locking. To proceed, connect the control unit to the power supply and use the sub-D cable for connecting the isolator to the control unit. Center your application on the isolator and keep in mind that the minimum weight is 5 kg. Furthermore, the footprint of your application should not exceed the dimensions of the isolator and all cable connections ought to be properly strain relieved. Turn on the power switch on the back of the control unit. The system starts isolating once the initialization is finished and the blue LED remains steady. For turning off the isolation, push the green button. It's up to you whether you run the isolation system constantly or only turn it on for actual use. For transportation purposes, the Nano 30 has to be locked. Turn off the active isolation, switch off the power and remove your application. Put the screws back in the threads and torque them down accordingly.